I'm Monica Robbins with your top 3 health headlines today. Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy, or CIDRAP, and the University of Minnesota and the New England Journal of Medicine teamed up to provide a public health alert notice about disease outbreaks and public health issues. Now, the publication will be free to read and available next month. The reason is because of CDC staffing cuts and limited information coming out of there. The long-running CDC morbidity and mortality weekly articles were cut in half, and there are fewer scientists writing them, and every article needs approval from the Health and Human Services Secretary's office before publishing. The new publication will share urgent information quickly when it's needed about outbreaks. The group also created the Vaccine Integrity Project to help evaluate evidence for vaccine recommendations. It's what the CDC used to do. Other medical organizations are assisting. Here's a really good reason to take care of your teeth. Scientists studied more than 1,000 people and found those with gum disease were more likely to have something called white matter hyperintensities in their brains, like small areas of brain damage that shows up on brain scans. It's linked to a higher risk of dementia, stroke, and various other physical and mental difficulties. Those who had regular dental care and brushed and flossed routinely had a much lower risk. Think about that when you're eating Halloween candy. And speaking of the spooky time, for those of us who grew up with stranger danger, it's time for an update of those lessons. 3 out of 4 kids actually know the person who causes them problems. Teach kids that adults will never ask them to keep secrets from their parents, offer bribes to make them compliant, force hugs or unwanted touching, change plans without the family password, or make threats against them or their family. Halloween is a good time to remind kids of the rules, and it's always an ongoing conversation to keep having. But always tell your kids to trust their gut instincts and never be afraid to run away and get help. I'm Monica Robbins, and that's your Daily Dose.